111, 312. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Collector Gloria. Today I will show 2 lipsticks and free gift pack. I bought Estee Lauder 2 lipsticks, so I got a gift pack because I purchased $120 in Australia. I will unboxing it, and Pure Color Desire Rouge Access lipsticks number 312 and 111. I will try to apply the lipsticks. Triple one. And this one 312. Wow, so lovely. I will remove the lipstick. Wow. It's removed and I got stain. It's not a matte type. The texture is very soft. It's gold tone case. This one number 111. The color is pink. 3.1 gram. Wow, it's so lovely. And this one number 312. Let me see. The color is dark rose. 3.1 grams. Wow, it's gorgeous. This one 7 ml Advanced Night Repair Synchronized Recovery Complex and 5 ml Advanced Night Repair Eye Supercharged Complex, 15 ml Nightwear Plus Antioxidant Night Detox Cream, 30 ml Advanced Night Foaming Cleanser, plus bestseller, about 3 ml Sumptuous Extreme Mascara, Pure Color Envy Lipstick in shade 420 Rebellious Rouge, and last one, Pure Color Envy Blooming Lip Balm Compact. Next time, I will review these items. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe if you like my video. Thank you.